Hi, Ebru.
Oh, hi, Steve.
What are you doing in Holborn?
Holborn? You mean Holborn?
Yeah, I don't know.
The most mispronounced place names in London. Holborn, Borough, Westminster, Canary Wharf, Marylebone, Leicester Square, Gloucester Road. Then we have the ones written like ham, but sounds like For example, Beckenham, Clapham, Fulham, Tottenham Court Road. Then we have the ones with silent W. Dulwich, Woolwich, Greenwich, Chiswick, Warwick Avenue, and Southwark. Finally, the ones ending with TON, but not ton, tin. Kensington, Paddington, Highbury and Islington, Mornington, Crescent.